Hey friends, it's Miss Katie here. Well, Mr. Patient and I are in a church classroom while the kids are outside doing a youth activity, and we are finishing up getting the journals ready to send out. I've had a lot of questions because we have a lot of new friends and followers. Say hey to him, Mr. Patient. And he's working hard.
You didn't even give me a chance.
I know, but I'm trying to make this really quick. Okay, so holler hey. And I just want to answer just one or two questions right here, but I'm going to answer more as time goes on. So one thing is we do, and I'm making my newsletter right now. So that's what I've got this going on, and he is stuffing envelopes and putting the labels on, putting the stamps on. We do it all just like that. I mean, you know, by hand, old-fashioned way. Maybe not old-fashioned. We don't have a printing press, but, you know. Now,
we might one day.
We might. I meant an old John Boy style, you know, old-fashioned. That's what I meant, one of those. Okay, well, I want to tell you real quickly that somebody asked, is the journal my local town news? No, there is nothing local about this. This is not about me. It's not about my town. This is written by the community, for the community, by folks like you. That's what I mean. By folks like you. I mean, we have folks that submit, contribute content, some on a regular basis, some on an irregular basis, and that's fine depending on what our needs are. I fill in the blanks as needed. I come up with puzzles. I come up with other things as needed. I compile it. But no, it is written by the community, like-minded homemakers and homesteaders and families like you, the Heritage Ways communities. Okay, well, the youth activity is actually they're outside blowing things up, so that's what you hear going on. Okay, that's my question that I wanted to answer today. It is community news, literally from around the globe. I mean, we've had contributors from Canada. We've got subscribers, Australia, Netherlands, England, Canada, and the US right now. So to find out more, just go to heritageways.com, and there'll be a little journal link there thing in the menu, and click on that, and I will answer more questions another time. Have a good night and count your blessings. Mr. Patient's one of my hugest blessings in the whole wide world. I love you.
You're gonna make me cry.